this one. And this is called a Kalash. In Hindu culture, we believe this has contain a positive energy. Whenever the people here in India starts a construction, they pray a land there, place a pot before starting any construction. This particular pot is a metal pot which contains like water, and this is a metal like copper, and these are the mango leaves, and you know that this is a coconut. So they place flowers, and anyone who is going to build up that project, they pray the land and start their construction project. So this is basically symbol of divine energy. Let's begin with the this idea that I'm going to create a design watching this Kalash. Okay, I will try to create something related to architectural concept by observing the shape I am looking here, right? But we are going to use a corner render for the final. Okay, and I press a M to open a material editor here. Take a slot, I select a one slot and give a name, reference, and through physical material I would like to choose a corona material just to apply a texture on your reference plane. So here I going to colors, bitmap, and as we know that we already copied our directory, and here is the colors. Okay, we just need to apply texture here on this plane. Now as you see that we got a proper colors reference with the concept we are visualizing. Okay, so I go in front view and see, we know that this is the 60 by height, and this plane is almost like 570 feet. It actually doesn't matter, we are just taking this box as a reference. So if we go here, and then if I start my building from this point, I take reference a little bit down, then as we just following the reference, we need to select that what would be the height we are going to take. So it means that as per the main object here we see that is Kalash, and the building would be almost 40 feet. So are we happy with the 40 feet? If you are not, then we need to just keep it at our box height at 60 and just scale the reference from the base. So as you see that if you are visualizing the concept, we know this is 65 feet, and take reference a little bit down. Now we know that this box is 60, so obviously the building we are going to create as per the reference, then it will not be selected even you select it. Okay, so this is freeze now. So now I take a cylinder. Okay, I press the F4 button to be able to see the segment mode and go into the modify panel, and I choose some kind of height here. Okay, so at least this time this should be here, and height segment I like almost one, I take it here. Okay, and the sides means that this one, right? We're just taking like 8 segments for now. Okay, and I just want to take one segment only in the height, so obviously the middle segment is gone, and now I go convert it into the editable poly and go to vertex mode and just arrange height till here. Okay, first we just need to create a basic form of this as per we are seeing reference in the back. Now if you press Alt Q button, you will be able to see a transparent mode and the reference through the transparent mode. So here I am just arrange a connect here. It means that I have added the edge.